What's up, YouTube? Back here again with another Threadbeast unboxing. This is kind of weird because if you look at the box, usually the box is black, but they've updated it to like this I would say kind of army green, tannish army green color. I mean, something different, right? If this is a trash unboxing, this is probably gonna be the last that I invest into Threadbeast, because Threadbeast, they've disappointed me, but then they've surprised me in ways that I liked. But overall, it's kind of been mid. I know on Threadbeast, you fill out a profile. So you make a profile and you fill out stuff you would like to see in the box. You fill out stuff that, you know, different brands that you're interested in, and you know, what's your type of style, you know? I would say about more than half of the time, they usually don't really read that. They don't really help with getting stuff that you put in your description, right? They probably, they kind of build around that, and a lot of times they'll try to like surprise you with things. For you guys, if you're a person that's like, I'm kind of tired of my wardrobe and I don't really like how I style things, I need like some new things to help me build a better wardrobe because you don't like what you wear already, then I think Threadbeast will be something you like to invest in. But if you like your sense of style of clothing, I would suggest that you try it out just like I did if you're still interested, or just order online. Just go to the mall. I mean, malls are still open. COVID hasn't really closed down malls or anything, but shopping for yourself, especially if you know your sense of style and you know what you actually like, that is like the best way to go. But I'm gonna see what surprises they've had for me today. Oh, and I know in my other Threadbeast box review, I tried on the clothes. I'm not really planning to do that today, but if you would like to see the different styles that I had, I will link the other video up above on the icon, and you can check that one out. I did try on everything that was in the box, and you can see that for yourself. Oh, it's not what I was calling it. See that we have a Banks Journal shirt, organic cotton, 100% cotton. This thing might shrink, and they've got me an extra small. Now, let's see how big it is though. Okay, Banks Journal. I don't know what it says underneath there, but this is the shirts. Now, I do like gray. Gray is one of my favorite like neutral colors, I would say. Or like, I mean, most people like black, but I'm kind of like a heather gray type of person. So, or really any type of gray, but I don't think I really have. I think I have one other shirt with this type of gray. I will wear this. I mean, this is pretty, I would style this with probably like a button up, or maybe a black jacket with some jeans. This is kind of one shirt that you just kind of style this with layers. All right, I like it. I didn't have what I wanted to wear, so is this one another Banks Journal? Okay, I don't know. I gotta look up Banks Journal. I don't. Write in the comments if you know what Banks Journal is, but this is I guess it's a Hawaiian brand, but this is another extra small. Mind you, I got this whole box. They usually come for like $90, but usually the clothes in there are like you know, $40 to like $50. So it's a really great way to get a bunch of clothes for quality, like price, and a quality material for a cheaper overall experience. So another organic cotton t-shirt, which will probably shrink, but it is nice. I would wear these with some khakis, like khaki shorts, like I said, some stuff you would put on like just to go out. All right, so Jesus, I'm gonna save this one for last. Okay. Oh, okay. I've been wanting a black hoodie, like an all black hoodie, for a minute now. Express hoodie. This one does have like a little bit of neck to it, so my neck isn't like very long, so it might look like it's choking me. But I like it. It's an extra small. Again, I will wear this kind of like how I wear this jean jacket right now. The jean jacket, some nice light colored pants, and some shoes. You can never go wrong with a black hoodie. Any type of solid color hoodie, but especially a black or like navy blue hoodie, can always set your foot up for success. They always send PSD stuff to wear. I'm kind of the androgynous lesbian that likes to wear briefs, but not the ones that touch knees. Okay, the smaller briefs that come like less than mid-thigh, but still look great, and it still gives you that, like, you know, gives you the nice band look. But I didn't have any problem with the other ones that I had received. But am I a fan of PSD? No, because they're pretty long, especially, like, you know, I have a prosthetic, and so things can get caught up on like the brace that I have, and you know, just for me personally, I'm not one, but they're really soft though. Like the other ones that I got, they're soft, you know what I'm saying? They don't really, you won't find any irritation to your skin or anything, so they're nice, but not my kind of length. And the final thing that's in the box is this gorgeous jacket. Gorgeous. A staple jacket. This is a denim jacket, a white denim jacket, bro. Threadbeast might be onto something, and I might have to continue. This is a $124 jacket. Mind you, I said the box was only $90. The box is only $90, and I got like almost $300 worth in it. This is crazy. Okay, I'm not saying that it's all bad. I'm saying that sometimes you get people that really put thought into it, and sometimes you get people who are just like, yeah, I'm just piece some stuff together. Sometimes, I mean, if you get someone who's like this is like unbelievably stylish. Bruh. This is crazy. This is an extra small jacket, which has fabric frays. Like the denim is frayed, but I feel like that's intentional. Why I feel like that's intentional? Because denim isn't supposed to be clean cut. Natural denim, and especially when it's dyed. I used to work for Lucky Brand Jeans. So denim that's like real and has been dyed, usually the stitching quality is enough to keep it together, but frays and different washes, like when it's washed and with different like rocks and material, then it can sometimes fray the fray the material, but it completes the overall aesthetic, because denim was really the style when the gold mine, if you look it up, gold mine in California, when people came to the US from like overseas to go ahead and do like digging for like gold and stuff like that. But this is one beautiful jacket. This experience that I've had for Threadbeast, I've had like at least 5 boxes now so far. 5, 6, somewhere around there. But I have to say, this is my, I want to say it's my second favorite. My last one was pretty nice too. I got a sweatshirt and it had like Tom and Jerry on there, and then I got like some La Familia stuff and just some nice pieces in there. Also, I had these staple joggers, but I sold them and they sold pretty quick, pretty fairly, for like color block joggers. I'm not really a color block person, at least on like my bottom half, but like my top half, the jogging pants weren't like bad, they were just not my style. It's been nice with Threadbeast, but I don't know, with that, after this box I'm kind of like, damn, should I wait until the summertime? Because you can go ahead and put your account on hold for 4 months, which essentially is great. Like 4 months from now we'll be in spring, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, that'll, and then also that gives you enough time to like really see the different type of style for that season. They charge you every month for a box of clothes. I have so many clothes, bruh, and plus I'm in the middle of pushing out my own clothing line. Also, go check out my other videos, they'll be linked. Oh yeah, also they give you points. So every box that you continue with, they give you points. You can either get gift cards, money off of your box. This box for me was like $65 because I used my points to like take $25 off. And then also you can use it for adding more items into your box. So say that, you know, you have the essential box, like I have the essential box, but you want like some baller shoes, you want some like shoes. Some baller shoes are, some people, they have, I mean, there's like mixed reviews on what is great about, you know, having someone else pick out your shoes. Just like I was kind of complaining about someone picking out my clothes, but as you can see, I love this box. So hopefully later this week I will drop another video on just some things about me. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.